Hey guys, good morning. Happy ice day. We can't even call it snow day. Um, happy ice day. So, I just wanted to give you kind of a quick synopsis of what you're going to need to be doing because we're a day behind. It's going to be pretty easy for you all. There are a couple of messages. Always know you need to go to this blog, classroom website, whatever you want to call it, the thing we use every day if we can. Please go to this for all of your information because I won't cloud up Google Classroom with things to where it gets buried or you can't find it. Okay, ignore this because this is where this video is going to be going. But you have two things on your agenda today. Obviously, with the impending ice storm, you should have brought home your book and your roadmaps. If you don't have your roadmap, you left it at school, then it's on Google Classroom. Go find it and work on today's. It's due tomorrow, but I will accept it on Monday. I'm not taking it after Monday. Please read this again. I am not taking those roadmaps after Monday. It's an assessment grade. You should have been working on it for the past 4 weeks. Be ready to turn it in on Monday. And then we're going to be doing some standard work. You need to read an article or you can listen to it. That option is on News ELA or News Ella. All of this information will just tell you how to get there and what you need to do. If you choose to not do this virtual assignment, you better figure out how to get it done because it's your responsibility to get it done. This is not a free day. There's no excuses. Figure it out. Go to News ELA and you need to make sure that your article is changed to 1140. Some of you, it may say max. Some of you, it may say 840. It needs to be set on 1140. Those are the question stems that we have been working on. I included this video in case you needed a reminder about author's perspective, as well as here is the chart that we've been using. I grabbed it from this video on YouTube, and a reminder of how to tell the difference between formal tone and casual tone. Those are the only things that I need for you to do today is to make sure that you're reading and that you've done your author's perspective standard work. After that, you're done, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow.